Assalamu alaikum. This is Sadali Sayyid, Network and vSphere Administrator and Virtual Instructor at NanoTechX and founder of NetPlus Virtual. This is interview one of AWS Solution Architect Associate Training. So first of all, I want to welcome Azeem Afzal. So we have Azeem Afzal from
I'm
Pakistan.
Azeem Fazal.
Fazal
Yes,
from Pakistan.
yes.
Okay. And what do you do? Can you introduce yourself?
Basically, I'm working as a manager IT. I have more than 18 and 19 years of experience. I did my engineering in 2004 and I did my master's in computer networks. I have many more certifications in networks and systems, but right now I want to pursue the AWS certification. That's why I contacted you.
Okay. And what is your post now?
I'm working as a manager IT.
Okay, manager IT. In which company?
It is one potato, two potato, OPTP.
Okay, okay. So you are manager IT position now.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So we are going to start the interview, but before starting, let me tell you one thing that we have clearly told you if you have read that description and post. So we have clearly told you that for availing the 100% free AWS Solution Architect training plus 80% discount voucher, you should pass this interview with 70% marks. So do you agree with that?
Yeah, I agree.
Okay, and you know that we have a YouTube channel of our organization known as NetPlus Virtua. So obviously this is first interview, so we are going to launch a playlist on that. So if you allow us to upload this interview on YouTube, then we will try to take this interview from you now live. But if you don't allow, then you will not be eligible. So do you give us permission to upload it on YouTube?
First, let me know the channel name. I want to see the channel.
Yes, I can show you here. Let me share my screen. Can I share?
Sure.
So go to YouTube. My screen is visible.
Yes, I can see.
And are you comfortable with Urdu?
Yeah, I can comfortably Urdu and English both.
Yes, okay. So this is our organization, Net Plus Virtual, which gives physical training as well and virtual trainings as well.
Mm-hmm. So, where are you guys located? Are you in Pakistan or somewhere else?
No, no, no. Virtually, we are all over the world. We have students from Niger, India, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Pakistan. But physically, we have training institute in different locations, not in just one location. Like we have institute in Ikra College, Jangira. We have institute in Federal Government Girls Degree College, Noshera. We have institute in Government Postgraduate College, Noshera. We have institute in Avcom, Mardan as well. And nowadays, we are going to launch a new branch in Peshawar University as well, but we are going to connect with them to start our new branch, but it's not launched yet, so we're going to launch that as well. And we have a branch in Shedu as well, the district Nashera. So these are our few playlists. Let me just introduce it. So this is our new program of free Python for programming for network engineers, network automation. This is the random era in which we launch like a different kind of short playlist. Like here we launched the SDN, software defined networking short playlist as well. And in this we have launched a playlist in which we make you clear about each topic which is related into we say computer science field or IT field. We make you clear in 60 seconds about each topic in each video. And these are some interviews.
Mm-hmm.
And this is RHCSA, you know that Red Hat Linux course. And this is interviews of MCSE. These are interviews of Cisco
Mm-hmm.
Advanced Networking. These are the Cisco Advanced Networking playlist. Means in this playlist we have covered Network Essential course, we have covered CCNA course, we have covered CCNP in core course, we have covered CCNP in RC course for fully free of cost. And this is VMware vSphere Data Center and Server Virtualization course. In 33 videos, we have covered the full technology for free of cost. This is the VMware vSphere interviews. Obviously, you can check it here that whenever we launched a course, like you can check it here, Cisco Advanced Networking, okay, and VMware vSphere. So we take interviews before enrolling the students into that course. Like you can check for Cisco, we have conducted 11 interviews. For vSphere, we have conducted 17 interviews. Then we have enrolled the students, okay. They gave them scholarships, and some interviews were failed as well. So we haven't enrolled them in our training. And you can check this training were uploaded as well. You can check it.
Yeah, I'm looking at your channel as well. I have another phone and I'm looking at your channel.
So I've
So
disturbed
by
it.
the way, so Musa, I have a question. Is it an online training or the on-site training?
No, no, no. This one is online.
Online. Okay, okay, Musa, I got it.
So do you give us permission
Or,
to upload it on YouTube?
yeah, yeah, I agree with it.
Okay, so then we can continue. Okay,
All right, sure.
let me stop my screen.
Mm-hmm.
Sure. Because I have to open questions to ask from you, so that's why.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, you know what? There are 100 questions. Okay. So if, for example, we disconnected, so you should join again anytime. For example, tomorrow as well, or directly as well. If you are disconnected, because we have to continue, we have to complete our 100 questions in this interview one. This thing. Okay. And you should pass with 70% marks as well. So each question carry
Okay.
10 marks. Each question carry 10 marks. Okay. So my first question from
Okay.
you. So interview started now. Okay.
All right. I'm listening. You can start.
So are you ready now?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. So I've also opened questions as well here. So let me ask now. So my first question from you is, according to AWS, what is the benefit of elasticity? So you have four options. Minimize. First option is minimize storage requirements by reducing logging and auditing activities. Second option is create systems that scale to the required capacity based on changes in demand. Third option is enable AWS to automatically select the most cost-effective services. Fourth, accelerate the design process because recovery from failure is automated, reducing the need for testing. For example, if you have like any problem in listening my question, so for that reason, I'm going to send it in chat box as well. You can check in Google Meet chat box live as well. You can give me answer in chat box as well, and you can give me answer on your mic as well.
It is number two.
B, you said B.
Yes, B.
Perfect answer. It is perfect. Okay. So my second question, that what is GRE tunnel?
What is?
GRE tunnel.
Mm, okay, what are the options?
No, no, no. This is simple question. It haven't option. I've sent.
Uh,
I've sent
are you
it in
talking
chat
about
box.
in the networking?
I've sent it in chat box as well.
Okay. Basically, GRE tunnel is created by Cisco, and it
Sorry,
is for
sorry,
the
sorry, sorry, sorry,
point
sorry.
to point.
1 minute. Can I interrupt?
Yes, I thought
So
you asked the networking question.
sorry, I no, 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 no. I have another issue. Actually, for interview, this is compulsory that you should turn on your video camera as well for checking. Like you can know what I want to say. That for checking that are you doing anything wrong or not. So that's why. Sorry for that. I just forgot to tell you that turn on your video camera. Sorry for that. I forgot.
No issue, no issue.
Sorry. So yes, you can give answer.
GRE tunnel is basically designed by Cisco, and I think it is for point-to-point connectivity, point-to-point links, or in fact, point to multi-point links as well.
Okay, okay. What is IPsec?
IPsec is the a protocol for establishing a VPN tunnel, right? It is means it do the all types of encapsulation and each and everything.
Okay. What is GRE over IPsec?
GRE over IPsec. It basically I never worked on this thing, but GRE over IPsec, as we know the definition of both the things, so it should be a point-to-point tunnel over the VPN link or the layer 2 link.
Okay, okay. Now tell me that obviously GRE have disadvantage that it haven't like security features. So That's why we use
Mm-hmm.
GRE over IPsec, okay? Because IPsec have
All right.
security features, okay? But can you tell me that why if IPsec have security features, okay, and GRE haven't? So yes, we have IPsec solution as well individually. Why we don't adapt IPsec instead of adapting GRE over IPsec? What is the reason?
Uh, did you ask that why we are not adopting GRE over IPsec or why we are not
No, no, no.
going for the IPsec?
My question is that GRE haven't security features, okay?
Right,
IPsec have.
right.
Then why we don't just skip GRE and just adapt the IPsec VPN solution, okay? And instead of this, should we use GRE or IPsec or directly IPsec? And if you choose any option, then tell us the reason as well that IPsec is the good option or GRE or IPsec.
Basically, these things are depend upon the organization's requirement, right? For example, if we are taking the layer 2 connectivity from from any ISP, right? Then we can, if the data is not secure, which is traveling, so we can use the GRE only. But if we want to secure our data, so we can use the IPsec tunnel with the GRE. So it will secure our data. Number two. Number third one, the IPsec tunnel, although it is the cheaper, but more reliable is the GRE tunnel.
No, 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 no. Basically, you didn't pick up my question. My question is that
Mhm.
basically, you know what, that GRE cannot, we say, cannot provide a security feature, okay? But IPsec provides.
Right.
Then why you don't use IPsec, okay? Then why there is the GRE or IPsec solution? Can you give a solid reason behind it?
I'm telling you this thing that GRE is only a point-to-point tunnel between you, between my office to the ISP, right? Or between our two offices. But ISPs can see the data. That's why we create the tunnel over it. So we encrypt our data so no one can see except us. Am I right?
Yes, now okay, now okay. Okay.
Thank
My
you.
next my next question from you is that if there are three ISPs, okay, and you know
All
that
right.
this that IGP protocol is basically used inside organization, okay. And for example, we have three ISP, for example, Airtel, PTCL, and Nitel. So obviously, these ISPs have its own branches on different locations as well. So can you tell me that obviously, these ISP also run some IGP protocol like OSPF ISIs in their branches. But can you tell me that how these ISPs connect with each other? Like these three different ISPs connect with each other. So can you tell me how?
All the ISPs are connected each other with the BGP protocol.
Perfect answer. Perfect.
Thank you.
Okay. Can you tell me that if OSPF and ISIs runs on the same algorithm known as SPF, we can say that created by the digestion scientist. So why, if these both run on, we can say same protocol. So what is the reason that there are many differences between these as well, and they runs on the same algorithm? So why we should go to OSPF or why we should go to ISIs? Because they run on same algorithm. So what is the difference? Why should we choose OSPF and if you choose ISIs in your organization? So why? What can be the reason?
Uh, Basically, it is not a proprietary. Anyone can use and it can work on different devices. Just like EIGRP is the proprietary of Cisco. So OSPF is not the proprietary, and that's it.
No, 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 no. This is not the answer. My question is that OSPF and SIS, okay, both runs on the same SPF and digest algorithm. So why I should choose OSPF or ISIS? Okay, for example, you choose OSPF. So why you don't choose ISIS? Because both runs on the same algorithm, and no one is the proprietary of someone. They are both open standard. You know that.
Mm-hmm. I'm not sure about this thing.
Okay. My next question from you is that what is difference
By
between?
the way, Musa,
My name is
are
not
you,
Musa. My
you
name
are
is
asking the networking questions?
Saad, not Musa.
Oh, it is coming as Musa on the screen.
Because this is not my account. This is my bro account.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine.
So my next question from you is that tell me that what is different between IGRP and EIGRP?
I don't remember now. Although I did remember, but I don't remember it now.
And let me give you the answer that you have asked me, okay? Before 20 seconds, that why you ask networking questions. There are reasons. You know what? That this training is basically, AWS Solution Architect Associate. So what does it mean? It
Mm-hmm.
means that in interview, I will ask those questions, okay, which are prerequisites to this training, obviously, because networking, okay,
Okay.
you know that networking, system
Mm-hmm.
administration,
Mm-hmm.
etc. These are compulsory if you don't know about these fields. So tell me how you can learn the AWS
Mm-hmm.
architect training. Obviously, there is, there's not a basic training, okay? So we need the
Mm-hmm.
students which have some knowledge of networking and system administration, because you know that there is not a basic training. There is advanced level training. You know that.
Mm-hmm.
I think you are now clear.
No, I got it. I got it. But the things you are asking, it is managed by the AWS, not by the customer. The OSPF and the BGP and the IGRP are these protocols managed by the uh, Amazon or Azure, whoever is the service provider, not by the customer.
No, no, no.
Uh, uh,
It's
I,
okay.
I tried to.
No, no, no.
I
You are.
tried to study AWS many times, but I never seen these things in their course outline.
No, no, you're perfect. You're perfect to replace. But my thing is that I'm not going on this side that it is used by AWS or customer. I'm just asking for the knowledge, okay, to check your knowledge in networking field or system
Hmm.
administration. Because if you have a knowledge on the basic level or advanced level in networking or system administration, then how you can enter in the AWS field. So I'm just asking on those kind of, we can say, on those kind of type. I'm not just asking on that customer use or AWS use. I'm not asking on that mind. I think you understand.
Got it.
Just for
Got it.
checking the knowledge, okay? Just for checking the knowledge. I can ask
All right.
everything in that field,
All right. Basically, I was not aware that you will ask the networking question. Otherwise, I should
So
check my notes
basically,
before coming to the interview.
interviews are, you know that interview questions are never exposed that what it would be about. So you know that, I think.
Got it.
Okay, so my question was that what is difference between IGRP and EIGRP?
IGRP and EIGRP. IGRP is EIGRP is Cisco proprietary, right? And it works on the if I'm not mistaken, it works on the hello timers, right?
Oh, oh,
And
it works on the hello timer.
yeah, am I
Okay,
wrong?
continue. You will get the result on your email. No, no, you will get the result on your email on YouTube channel. Then you can check your
Alright.
question.
And
Yes, yes, then you can check your question answers.
uh, no, basically I'm CCNA certified, but I am not working on these routing protocols for last many years. I'm on working on the layer three switches only. Basically now in the organization, people are using the firewalls, not the routers.
Okay, okay, I know that, but it's not compulsory that what will be your position. So I will ask just about that. It is same for everyone.
All right, all right. So maybe if nah, I'm wrong. I am not sure.
Okay. So my next question from you is that what is difference between system administrator and network administrator?
Basically, system administrator responsibilities are managing the servers, including the backup, patch management, antivirus, right? And the network administrator is managing the layer two, layer three devices like router, switches, and maybe he can manage the firewalls as well.
Perfect, perfect answer. Okay. My next question from you is that, for example, if you are, we can say teacher, okay, or instructor. So, for example, if someone asks you that I want to be system administrator, and obviously as an instructor, you know many courses to suggest for system administration. Like for example, I'm giving you two options, okay, like MCC and
Mhm.
RHCSA. So which one you will try to teach? Okay, for example, you have both skills. So which one you will try to teach and why? And why you will teach it? Is there any specific reason to describe?
Basically, uh, if I would have the knowledge of both, then I will prefer to teach Linux,
Why?
right? Because I love the black screen.
That's funny answer. It's funny answer.
So no, it is not a funny, but on means every colorful screen there is a black screen behind it in the world.
You know, give any solid reason why you will teach.
I like Linux. Basically, 2 3 months before I was learning RSCSA and Ansible, and in fact Docker as well. So I means at that time I was in love with the Linux,
Okay, okay.
and I'm getting bored with the Windows.
Okay,
I'm using it for last 18 19 years.
okay, okay. Can you tell me that for a hacker, which operating system is easy to hack? Like I'm giving you three options, okay? Android, Mac
Mhm.
OS, Windows 10.
Windows would be easier.
Why?
If it is not fully patched, then Windows is easier.
No, for example, it is fully patched. It's okay. Both three are okay.
Then in that case, Windows would be easier. If all are all fully patched, then in that case, uh, Windows would be easier to
How
hack.
you can say that? How you can say that?
Mm, Basically, what system administrators do, they open the ports sometimes for their user and they forget to things. They forget to close that port. Then once you run the meta exploit or something like that, you will get the open port and then you can do your attacks. And one more thing, Windows is using many third parties applications. On the other hand, Mac and means the Android are using the applications which are authorized by their
No,
uh,
no,
means vendors.
no. You can install any third-party application in Android as well by APK file. You know that.
I know, but then in that case the phone would not be secure. If the phone is non-rooted, then it will not allow you to install the applications.
No, no.
For
It
example, right now
it
I'm on Google Meet.
it asks permission. It asks permission from you each time when you install some third-party application in form of APK.
This is what I'm saying. Just like Google Meet now, I gave it the permission for audio and video for the one time only because I'm aware about those things.
Perfect answer. Perfect answer. Okay. Tell me that if you want to be we can say penetration tester. So what would be the prerequisites?
First of all, we need to collect the information. Right. First of all, we need if it is a means you wanted to ask that we hire a third party for penetration testing for our own organization,
No, no, no. I mean that if you
right?
want to be a penetration tester, okay. So what is the prerequisite
Mhm.
to learn that technology? We can say,
It should be first we need to learn the Linux.
and then
And then we need to learn in my opinion we need to learn the Wireshark first, then Kali Linux. That's it.
you mean network monitoring tools
And
as well.
exactly.
Okay, perfect answer.
And if you know the Python, then that would be a great advantage for you.
Okay, if I want to be a network administrator and I want to think about future as well, that in future the network administration would be gone. Like for example, you know that there is network automation feature as well coming in future. So obviously,
Mhm.
if you're a network administrator and you will not update yourself, okay, as a network administrator and you will not run the network automation, so you will be finished from the production, okay. So for that you need to
Exactly.
learn network automation. So which language you will prefer to learn?
Ansible,
Why?
Ansible or Python.
No, no, say one.
Python.
Why?
Python is very strong. It is for especially for network engineers as well, and we can automate our tasks easily from it.
But we can do it with Ansible as well. Then what's the uniqueness that you say Python?
And basically, Ansible comes with the preloaded libraries, right? And in Python, you can create your own libraries as per your requirement.
But we can
This
do
is the
that.
difference.
No, no, but we can do this in Ansible as well. We can create our own package as well.
I know we can do this with the Ansible as well, but Ansible comes with the preloaded libraries, right? And where on the other hand, Python, we can create our own libraries as per our requirement.
Perfect answer. Okay. Can you tell me that, for example, we talked about AWS and Azure and GCP and OCI and IBM Cloud. So if you look at these cloud service providers, then my question from you is that obviously AWS is on the top, okay, Azure is on the second like this. So my question is that obviously Google is the big company, Microsoft is the big company, IBM is the big company, Oracle is the big company. So why obviously they are trying to make themselves on the top. Then why the AWS is on the top? What is the reason behind this?
Basically, AWS came in the market before anyone was thinking for it. They came in 2007, I think. So they got the chance to capture the market. So that's
No,
why they are on the top.
no,
But
no, no, no.
Azure is giving a very good fight to them.
No, they are not getting the good fight to them. You know that Azure is, we can say, with a very big margin of difference. They are with AWS.
Mhm.
AWS is on the top, and I think in future they will remain as the top in the cloud service providers. So how you can justify that obviously they are also struggling, okay, to be on the top, but why they are not? Why they are not?
Basically, this is what I said that AWS came in the market in 2005 or 2007, right? So their services are very much mature as compared to AWS and GCP.
Again,
They
no,
have AWS has more than 200 services,
no, no, no,
whereas okay.
no, 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 no. You know that. Let me correct you. You know,
Mhm.
Microsoft is I think Oracle and Microsoft both are, I think, the companies who have virtualization technology as well, and Amazon, and we can say IBM, and I think and Google. So these three haven't any virtualization technology. So you know that Microsoft have the first company which have enabled virtualization technology on their platform. Node.js Hyper-V, you know that Hyper-V manager, etc.
Mhm.
So obviously,
Mhm.
Amazon haven't even its own virtualization technology. They use the Citrix
Mhm.
technology known as Zen Server. So how you can say that? How you can justify that Amazon came first?
Uh, Basically, this is what I am saying that basically everyone is using their own hypervisors, right?
Yes,
And right now, Amazon has is going to shift from Citrix Zen to their own customized hypervisor.
and they
First of
haven't,
all,
and they haven't.
exactly, this is the thing. But they are on the back end. I'm giving you the truth that on the back end, they all are using OpenShift.
No, no. But OpenShift came after the, we can say, Hyper-V. But Hyper-V came
Mhm.
first. So how you can justify that Azure is not on the top because they came lately? No, they came first from Amazon. I gave you the proof.
Then I'm not sure.
Okay, okay. My next question from you is, and you know that whenever on YouTube you will check your interview as well, okay? Like I'm marking your answers, that how many grades you carry for each mark for each question. So you can check it in
Mhm.
YouTube as well. You can watch your interview as well. So kindly, when I give you proofs, etc., and I make you wrong, so kindly, if you can make yourself correct, so do it quickly because I want that your score should be increased, not decreased. So that's why. Okay.
Sure, will do.
Okay. So my next question from you is that which tool can you use to forecast your AWS spending? First option is
Mhm.
AWS organizations. Second option is Amazon DevPay. Third option is AWS Trusted Advisor. Fourth option is AWS Cost Explorer. So what is your answer? I'm going to send it in chat box as well.
Is AWS pricing calculator, which give you the estimated price of the VMs or the resources.
Can you repeat the answer, please? You're not audible. Can you repeat answer, please?
Uh, I was saying that it should be AWS pricing calculator or the last option which you gave me, the D option.
Perfect answer. Answer is D. Okay.
Thank you.
So my next question from you is, what is the command for checking my whole network information in Red Hat Linux?
Uh,
It's
Netstack,
it's very easy. I think you know that.
Netstack,
No,
Netstack.
no, no, no. You are a little bit near.
Uh, what do you want to see
Like
from Miss?
for example, I want to check my default gateway, my IP for this as well, my subnet mask as well, my DNS as well, all things in
It is if config or IP
perfect,
address command, it
perfect.
will show you.
If config, yes. This was very easy, I think. But you get it.
Thank you.
So my next question from you is that a business analyst, okay? A business
Mm-hmm.
analyst would like to move away from creating complex database. I'm sending you in chat box as well, okay? Move away
Okay.
from creating complex database queries and static spreadsheets when generating regular reports for high-level management. They would like to publish insightful, graphically appealing reports with interactive dashboards. Which service can they use to accomplish this? First, Amazon QuickSight. Second, Business Intelligence on Amazon Redshift. Third, Amazon Cloud Watch dashboards. Fourth, Amazon Athena integrated with Amazon Glue.
I think it is Amazon CloudWatch.
C, you said C?
Yeah, Amazon CloudWatch.
Okay, okay. Not correct answer.
Let me read the question again. Basically, I'm on mobile phone, so I was not able to see the chat.
Yes, yes, I'm giving you another chance.
We would like to move away from creating a
I will mark it again.
reports with interactive technology service. Looks at between the commercial. It should be B.
D confirm?
B for Bravo.
B,
Yes,
you said B confirm.
yes.
Again, wrong answer, but now no chance, I think, because two times you said wrong, and I gave you chance as well. And there's no chance, but I gave
Thank
you
you.
chance.
Okay, fine.
Okay, and you said that ask questions like Amazon, so I'm sending some questions for from there, and I'm sending some questions from myself. So from myself, that
All
is
right.
easy, but what I copy from websites, I told you, so that is very difficult for you. And you said I like these questions. My next question from you is that what is the difference between kernel and shell?
Kernel is the one who is managing the hardware, right? And shell is the console or the scripting editor for the Linux.
For the Linux?
Basically, for means operating system.
Good, good, good. Perfect answer. Okay. What is mean by research methodology?
Resize methodology.
Yes.
No, I'm not. I don't know.
Okay. What is mean by EC2?
EC2 is the virtual machine in Amazon
Perfect.
AWS.
Perfect. Perfect. What is vCenter server?
vCentral server is the means VMware's hypervisor,
No.
which is managing the ESXi servers in the organization.
Now correct. Now correct. Okay. Perfect. Now correct.
Thank you.
What is difference between Hyper-V and Hyper-V Manager?
Hyper-V is a role, and Hyper-V Manager is a software which is managing that role.
Perfect. Perfect answer. My next question from you is that I'm sending it in chat box as well. Okay.
Okay.
So here it is. So what is the AWS feature that enables fast, easy, and secure transfers of files over long distances between your client and your Amazon S3 bucket file transfer, HTTP transfer, Amazon S3 transfer acceleration, and S3 acceleration? You can
Number
take
C.
time, okay? You can take time.
Number C. Number
Confirm?
C.
Should I look it?
Yes. Yes.
So yes, perfect answer.
Thank you.
And I think you are working like a chat GPT now.
No, no, no. I'm on the mobile phone, so I
No, no,
cannot use
no.
the chat
No, no, no.
GPT.
I did
Then
No, no, no. You didn't pick up my point. I didn't say that
Oh,
you are
sorry.
searching. I said that you are just answering correctly, like ChatGPT
Oh,
answer
okay.
correctly. I know.
Thank you.
I said like
Thank you so
this.
much. Okay, thank you so much. By the way, how many questions left? I have to go for prayers. It's 7:15.
So how many minutes you have remaining for prayer to go?
It's 30 to 40 minutes.
40 minutes left to go to prayer.
Mhm.
So
40 minutes means the Maghrib prayer time will finish in 40 minutes.
when you go, okay. So can you tell me? Then we will stop it, and another part will be started when you come. Okay.
Can we finish it in 10 minutes?
No, no, it is a long interview for AWS Solution Architect Associate Training. It's not a very smart training that 20 or 30 questions. It is you. I've told you in advance that it is 100 questions.
Oh, okay, fine. Okay, fine. So can we start it after 30 minutes?
No, no, we can start anytime. We can start even tomorrow as well. I will save it in part one, and part two will be started from this point where we left.
Uh, okay, but I want to finish it today.
But it's on you. It's on you.
All right, then how about 9 o'clock? Is it okay?
Now we will discuss it on WhatsApp. Okay, when you leave, we will discuss that when you as well.
All right, then. Thank
Then
you.
now you are
Mm-hmm.
exiting.
Because I'm getting late. I have to pray.
Yes, yes, that's important for you as well. So see you in next part of first interview. Allah Hafiz.
Okay, Allah Hafiz.